Welcome back, my English 101 students. I posted a video earlier kind of welcoming you back into the online Canvas kind of class that we're going to be doing for the rest of the semester. What this video is going to have is a screen recording of how to use Canvas and how to use the modules. I'm actually going to go through it step by step, so please watch the entirety of this video. It is not going to be long, but it is going to be detailed. That way you can pause and, rewind, fast forward, etc. at your own pace. If you already know how to use the modules, I still suggest you watch this video. That way you can understand the order of information that I've presented for you. Now, if you guys have been on Canvas all day, I'm sure you've seen that the module is actually open and public for you, but I still am going to go through it one step at a time. That way, for those of us that are a little less experienced with Canvas and the modules, we can also get that detailed step-by-step guide. If you have any more questions after this video, feel free to email me as usual. Okay, so let's get started. How to use Canvas as your new online class, how to use modules, how to get tutoring help, all that fun stuff we are going to go through together. So first and foremost, this is what your Canvas page should look like. I'm currently viewing it as a student. We have home, we have announcements. So I'm sure you guys have been seeing all of the announcements I've been making, right? We have our welcome back video right here. When you click this link, it does take you to this video, which I'm hoping everybody has seen. Hello, my lovely students. So as you know, we will be working via the online Canvas platform. It was really just to kind of clear everybody's concerns and make sure that we all knew everything that was going on. This video is going to be this right here, how to navigate Canvas and use the modules. So I'm going to show you that step by step. Let's start with clicking on the actual modules link. When you click on modules from your left-hand links, you'll see a unit titled Unit 1 Rhetorical Analysis. Now, the information is put in the order that should be read first. So where you see the link that says read me first, that is the first thing that I do want you to take a look at. Let's open it together. Read me first. Hello, please make sure to read this first before continuing into the module. Watch this video to get some updates on how this course will work. The information is going to be roughly in this order. We have the page. This is the page we're currently looking at called Read Me First. Then I linked the articles again just as a reminder and to kind of show you where they are. And I also have the PowerPoints for weeks 3 through 5 in full. You can take a look at those as often as you'd like. I have another page down at the bottom called How to Revise. And then finally, I have the link for the final draft of Essay 1 assignment submission. Now, when we go back to modules, you're going to see this order again. So here are the articles I was talking about. Here are PowerPoints for week 3. Here are PowerPoints for week 4. And then again, we have week 5. I've added a page titled How to Revise plus Video, but I did add the revision PowerPoint so that you could all take a look at it at your own pace. This is a revision PowerPoint that is going to help you revise your essay once you get the feedback from me tonight. I did mention in the previous video that everybody would have their feedback by tonight, since technically today was a holiday. We're supposed to take the day off. So you have your informational, organizational, grammatical, and mechanical revision. This is a PowerPoint that is available to you. I'm actually going to go through this PowerPoint in the video, and you will have a chance to kind of hear me voice over the PowerPoint just like you would in class. And then you also have the opportunity to look at it at your own pace. So again, let's go back to modules. Read me first. Take a look at the articles if you need them again. Take a look at the PowerPoints if you need any updates and any information that you might have missed in class. Take a look at this page. If you see the word page will pop up right here, that tells you that it's a page. This has no information in it as of yet. It will have information by the time this video is posted. And then we have, last but not least, the actual assignment. As you can see, essay number 1, rhetorical analysis final draft, is due April 9th, 11:59 p.m. This is worth 10 points and it will be submitted online right here, just how I showed you in class. If you forgot how to do this, this is on week 5's PowerPoint. There is a step-by-step on how to submit assignments via Canvas. So just in case we lost the prompt, I did copy and paste it here for you. back to modules. So unit 1 is in the order that you need to view the information in, and then once we start unit 2, I will upload a new one here. Remember, if you need anything, you have your to-do list on the right-hand side, you have your grades here, pages, files, etc. One cool thing that I did add that I want everybody to take note of is a page called Helpful Links. Helpful links is going to be in order of all of the links that I have provided in the class. How to use modules is the one I'm filming now, so you will see this in the next couple of hours. The welcome back video is here. And one wonderful thing that our online tutors are doing for us is they created this link right here. When we click it, it takes us to this page right here. This is the Reading and Writing Center online resource. You can actually start online tutoring here. You can make an appointment here. You can get online tutoring assistance here, or it also has the link to the NetTutor page here. One of the cooler features that it has is that it allows you to speak with live support. This little guy right here on the bottom, you can talk to them live at any time you need, and you can get support with someone right away. So cool. So you enter your name, you enter your email, and then you hit connect, and then it will connect you with a tutor live. So back to our class. If you have any questions, remember you can always email me. The way discussion posts are going to work is just like they did in regular class time. I'm actually going to open a link for you titled Discussion Post Office Hours. I'm taking you back to my view, which is the professor's view of Canvas, and I'm actually going to create a discussion post. This discussion post is going to be titled Office Hours, and I'm making it live with you now. This one will not be available until Thursday, April 2nd, and we'll make that available during class time, which is 3:30 p.m., and we will close that at the end of the class, which is 6:40 p.m. So this will be available for you. What you can do is ask any questions that you may have about the course. I will answer live. This means that I will be on Canvas until the end of class time, ready to answer any questions that you may have in real time. So let's post this now. It is not graded. This is simply just to allow you to talk to me. Let's allow liking. Sure, why not? Save and publish. So this will be available to you come Thursday. Feel free to email me. The email for me is located right here. And once I get an email, it pops up for me right here and I can respond to you right away.